Hello guys, welcome to this session. Uh, we are in activity 5 in our topic spreadsheet program, and we are still working on with the MS Excel. Uh, Today let's keep on uh, these various activities on Excel. We use this WPS, is the other just type of this Excel, but it works the same as the MS Excel. Now let's discuss in this activity 5. The first part we're going to discuss is working with the MS Excel. We'll see some of the Excel formatting and the editing tools, such as the wrapping text. The second one is the orientation. Third one is emergence center. Uh, uh, Shortly, you can say that when you're trying to wrap text, it means that you're trying to correct the text, the putting the text in more than one line. While orientation, you're trying to rotate your text within your cell, maybe to certain kind of degrees, maybe right angle or various angles, just how you want. We are going to see that. And imagine center is you're trying to make maybe two kinds or two or more cells together, so as to have just a single cell, whereby in that single cell is where you can input your data. And the other part which we do on in this working with the MS Excel is the data manipulation and the formula in Excel, such as the finding of rank, then setting comments, and the inserting grade. Now let's see our Excel. So this is our Excel, and we've done a couple of activities in our past videos, starting from scratch. And now we keep on. We've discussed how to insert data. We've seen how can we find the addition of the subjects in this Excel, how we can find the subtraction, multiplication, division, sum, and average, also minimum and maximum values. Now, in this activity, let's start with the first part, which we say that is some Excel formatting and the editing tools, starting with the wrapping text. Now, when you're trying to wrap text, there's an option there in the formatting toolbar that is wrap text. From there, you can get a notice that what is this wrap text? It make all the content visible within a cell by displaying it uh, on multiple lines. Now let's see how we can do it. As in a Excel document here, you see that in this part, addition of subject and the subtraction, maybe it took a large amount of space. Now from there, you can just swap the cell, this is the G1 cell, just swap it in order to make your data more clearly visible and to not use a large amount of space. Now from there, just we're trying to warp this the cell, the text data in this cell to be warped together. So first you have to scroll and reduce the size of the cell. As you can see there, we've reduced the size of the cell, but there are some words here which you cannot read them. It was the addition of subjects. Now, those words do not just disappear, it's that you've reduced the size of the cell, but from there, if you click, there is addition of subjects that displays what text is in there. Addition of subjects 1 to 2, but here it is only showing addition of subject. It means that there are words that are keeping on here. Now from there, you can just swap the text by clicking that option there, swap text, and from there you see that the words are warped together, and from there you see the space has been reduced, and also the words are clearly visible. The same you can do for the other cell in this H, reduce the size, then warp the text. The same to, I think that's enough for these two are the ones that we can warp together. If you warp, this is only a single word. Now, if you up it, it won't make a huge of a sense. But you can use just a couple of size of these cells just to make your data more visible. So that's how you can up the text. Moving on, we said that how you can merge and center. Now, what's merge and center? From also the formatting toolbar in our Excel program, this here, uh, merge and center. Simply it joins the selected cells into one large cell and centers the contents in the new cell. Now, how you can do it? Maybe you are trying to merge this subject B, subject 1 and subject 2 together into a single cell. Now, simply just click a first subject, then highlight more to the second subject. Now, from there, you can merge. And here they are giving you the options how the words will appear. Now, if you merge, okay, that's how it will look like. It means that these two subjects have merged together. But you can change the format of how these two can disappear together, how they can appear together by maybe putting like that and putting that end sign. So subject 1 and subject 2. So there is how you've already merged and centered the words of the two cells B1 and C1 together in a single cell that becomes known as B1 together. So I hope it's clear. We've worked the text, we've also merged in the center. Moving on, let's see how we can align these texts in various angles. Maybe you're trying to align maybe this subject 3, 4, and 5. You are trying to align them. Now that's what is called the orientation. So it quickly rotates the text orientation in cells. Now from there, you have to select which kind of cell you want to align or orient. Now take an example, subject 3. You click the down arrow sign will indicate various options which you can orient or align them. There are options here: normal, angle, counterclockwise, angle clockwise, vertical text, rotate text up, rotate this text down, or format cells alignment. So let's try rotate text up. As you can see, the text they've been rotated up. As you can see, subject 3, it appears like that. So you can do like that maybe to all of your subjects, all of your subjects remaining, just like that. And that's how you can align the text in various angles, or you can choose the other options here which are there: angle counterclockwise or angle clockwise. They will all appear in various ways which you want, or vertical text in any way which you want. You can simply align them. So I hope it's clear. We've already finished some of the Excel formatting and editing tools. Now let's move on to data manipulation and the formula in in Excel, such as finding rank. Now rank simply is like you're trying to find a position of maybe these groups. We have 9 groups. Now we can get the rank by finding the position of all these groups according to their averages. Now from there, let's write title that is rank. Now looking for rank equals to sign, equal sign, then you write rank, then you open bracket. You start with the first one, that is an average from L2. So from there, L2, then a comma sign, L2, put that sign, it's like a dollar sign, L2, then up to the same way until to this, until L10. You close the bracket, equal sign. So from there, you've already obtained the rank, and you see that the first group is rank is in the ninth place. Now, if you scroll down or just try to obtain the data of all of the groups by just holding your mouse, then scrolling down to uh, the last group 9 by holding the at the corner of that the first cell, you get all of them like that. So from there you can get that the group number, this group which is in uh, cell number A8, that is group number 7. It was the first one, and then the second one was in uh, group number 8. Group number 8, the first one was group number 7, the second one number 8, the third one was group number 2, as the same goes to all of the groups until the ninth one. So I hope it's clear, guys. Thank you for listening. So we've discussed the various ways how you can work on with your MS Excel. We've started with some of the Excel formatting editing tools, wrapping text, orientation, image and center. Then we've discussed the data manipulation and the formulas in MS Excel, such as finding rank. About the other two, inserting comments and inserting grade, we'll move on to the next video. So thank you for listening. Thank you for listening. I hope it's clear with everything I've discussed. See you in the next video.